Hi, are you ready to transform your life with smart property strategies? Property investment isn't just about owning a piece of land, it's about building wealth, securing your future, and achieving financial freedom. You need to understand such things as cash flow, capital appreciation, and leverage. So, to succeed in property investment, you need a solid foundation in knowledge, understand the basics of finance, market trends, and legal generations. So you shouldn't be afraid to seek advice from experienced professionals and mentors if you don't have such knowledge to start with. Technology is revolutionizing the way we invest in property. From AI-powered valuation tools to smart home technology, the possibilities are endless. You should embrace these tools to gain a competitive edge. Diversification is key to managing risk, so you can consider investing in different property types, locations, and strategies. So by spreading your investments across various assets, you can minimize your exposure to market fluctuations and changes in legislation. Many people have transformed their lives through smart property investment. By following proven strategies and leveraging technology, you can achieve your financial goals. So if you're ready to take action, visit our website, alpusgroup.com. You can telephone me, that's Alan at alpusgroup.com, and my phone number is +44 7539 141257 or +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.